My name is Jimmy Sutman, and I am the director of ISLE, also the director of the Purple Cat, but my wife, Jill P., really is the true Purple Cat director. And I'm here at one of our sites. We're at Farmer Casey's Ranch, located in Coatesville, Ohio, right on Route 422. And what Farmer Casey's Ranch and the Purple Cat is it's a dehabilitation program for adults with disabilities. And those disabilities range from autism to Down syndrome to cerebral palsy to traumatic brain injury. So we take folks from a wide array of backgrounds here. We have about, depending on the season, 45 to 60 adults with disabilities that come here Monday through Friday and do vocational training. They also, some of them just want to have leisure activities, so we do a lot of that. We do a lot with the arts, crafts, those types of things. And we have a lot of specialized programs too. Thankfully, we have been able to work with Eastgate, and through I would say mammoth grant, it was mammoth to us, we were able to do away with our septic system, and now we have sanitary sewer lines, which have allowed us to grow.
The Struthers, along with other communities along the Mahoning River, are looking to do dam removals that were established back in the early 1900s for the purpose of holding back the water flows so the steel mills could use that water for steel production to cool the steel. Over the course of the years, since 1977, when the mills closed, when we had Black Monday, since that period of time, there hasn't been no essential use for those dams, basically, that were designed for the other purposes early on. But being a member of the Mayor's Association and past president or chairman of the Mayor's Association, we have the cities and villages along the river. I believe there's a total of 9 dams. They run from Lowville through Struthers to Youngstown, to Girard, up through McDonald to Newton Falls, and into Warren. So there's several dams that need to be addressed that we feel that if they were removed, they could provide a greater water quality for the river itself.
I think Youngstown and the Mahoning Valley are really at a point now where we've got these great collaborative partnerships, many of them led by the Eastgate Regional Council of Governments, that are enabling us to work together on prioritized and most efficient community infrastructure projects. We've had great success. We've seen marked change in our community and our infrastructure. And these relationships, as I said, many led by the Eastgate Regional Council of Governments, are sustainable. They transfer over to other projects, and they transfer to other workings and dealings that we will have with one another. So win or lose on any particular project, or successful or not, the success really is in the collaborative environment that we fostered here in our community, and that's going to pay dividends in the long run.
This is a great time, a very exciting time to be in the city of Warren because of new investments and a lot of partnerships that have taken place. The hardest part is to figure out where to start in talking about all the activity that's going on. But let me start with the planning process. I'm very proud as mayor in this administration, having been one of the first administrations since the 60s to actually redo and develop our comprehensive plan from 1960. So that's very important for all the things that we're doing in terms of economic development. Secondly, I'd like to talk about how that's being bolstered by our partnerships with the Trimble County Planning Commission and Eastgate Regional Council of Governments, the Regional Chamber, and also the Port Authority. We've been able to actually launch a new program, a first of its kind, with the Port Authority, where we're actually moving real estate properties that are in the city's inventory with a much more streamlined process that takes a lot of the time away from the cumbersome process of government and allow us to move these properties seamlessly in the hands of developers who can turn them into assets.
Hello, my name is Darlene St. George, and I'm the administrator for Howland Township. I have been involved in government for 24 years, and talking about partnerships is something that's near and dear to my heart. And for example, there are two partnerships going on right now that are so important to our region. One being the proposed diverging diamond at the intersection of State Route 46 and 82. That intersection moves traffic east to Youngstown, west to Warren, south on 46 to over 1 million square feet of retail shopping space and the Eastwood Field, and north on 46 to some major medical facilities. That project is invaluable to the region. It would not be possible for that project to be the #1 project for this region without a partnership between Eastgate, Howland Township, ODOT, Trumbull County Engineers. That is what's moved this project forward, and we're so proud to be able to be part of that partnership. For a